Hi everyone, Larry Satchwell here. Yeah, if you're feeding birds, I'm sure you're feeding squirrels too. I'm about 6 feet from this guy. He's got a woodpecker right here and chickens underneath him. Well, he decided to move a little bit. If you're feeding birds, you're probably feeding squirrels. There's supposed to be some spices and hot peppers you can add to the food so it discourages them, but I'm not sure those work. But we're not only feeding squirrels during the day, we're feeding squirrels all night long. These flying squirrels come about 11 o'clock, at least for the last 3 nights I've had a camera up here. They come around 11 o'clock and leave around 4:30 in the morning. And this family of 4, the juveniles, just have a lot of fun running around mom and dad. Hey, get out of here.